How to fix ASUS laptop orange blinking battery light in 2026. Now on ASUS laptop, if you are seeing this type of solid orange light, it usually means the charging normally. But if this orange light is blinking, it often means low battery or charging interruptions or battery protection mode. So some of the ASUS models also blink orange when the battery charge falls below the critical level. So in this case, you just have to do nothing but to just check the charger and the power port. So you can just simply disconnect the charger cable bands, the loose adapters connection and the DC charging port movement. A weak connection can cause the repeated charging interruption warnings. Afterwards, you just have to shut down your laptop completely. So unplug the charger and hold the power button for about 40 seconds. And this is going to reset the embedded controller which manages the charging behavior on ASUS laptops. Now, after doing so, you just have to turn the laptop back on and check whether the battery icon in the Windows is available. If it says plug-in not charging, battery not detected or 0% available, the battery driver or the battery pack may be malfunctioning. So in this case, you can just simply open the My ASUS application and look at the battery health charging settings. If maximum lifespan mode is enabled, the charging may stop around 60 to 80% intentionally. So you can just simply try these fixes in order to solve the ASUS battery light issues quickly. Thank you.